Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be talking about how the headlamp system in Volvo truck works. I'll explain how the lights automatically switch between dipped and main beam, how the adaptive high beam adjusts to traffic, and when it's necessary to manually control the lights in tricky conditions like fog, rain, or when pedestrians are nearby. Let's get started. I'm currently at a parking lot, and in just a moment I'll be heading out onto the main road. I'm going to drive towards a darker area where we can get a much better look at how the adaptive headlights function in real time. Stay tuned. In Volvo truck, the headlamps can automatically switch between dipped beam and main beam. What's really interesting is that the main beam can adapt to the current traffic situation using the adaptive high beam function. This works by having a set of LED segments in the headlamp that can be turned off individually. If any specific LEDs are dazzling other drivers, those particular segments are switched off while the rest of the lights stay on. The system uses both the camera and radar sensor to measure ambient light, street lights, and traffic ahead of the truck. It even takes the truck's own speed into account. In every situation, the system automatically switches to the most suitable lighting. The main beam is activated when I'm driving at a speed of more than 10 km per hour. The camera detects night conditions, and there are no street lights along my path. There are certain situations where the system might struggle, and I may need to manually switch between the main beam and dipped beam. For example, in heavy fog or rain, the system may not perform as well. The same goes for when there's blowing snow or slush. If there are pedestrians on or near the road, it's also a good idea to take control. Sometimes the lights of oncoming vehicles might be obscured by things like fences or bushes, or when vehicles are on connecting roads. Another tricky situation is when oncoming vehicles are partly hidden behind crests or dips in the road. In these cases, it's safer to switch the lights manually. Keep a close eye on the lights. Notice how they illuminate the sides of the road, and automatically switch to high beams, then turn them off when an oncoming vehicle approaches. It's impressive how the system adjusts everything on its own. Let me know in the comments what you think about these kinds of headlights. Do you like this system, or do you prefer the traditional bulbs? Enjoy watching!